Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Be logged in as an admin and have the target IPs, ports, and protocols ready. First, back up the existing firewall configuration so you can revert if needed. Next, open the Firewall Management Console, or SSH, into the appliance. Make sure network time and interface names are clear. Once done, create a new, clearly named rule placeholder. Label it with purpose and date so later audits and rollback are straightforward and painless. Now you define the rule details. Set source and destination addresses, specify ports and protocol, and choose Allow versus Deny. Apply least privilege. Restrict access to specific IP ranges and times, not entire networks. Insert the rule in the correct order. Remember, firewalls evaluate top to bottom and enable logging and a descriptive comment. Once saved, commit the change and use a test host to probe connectivity. If expected traffic fails, check policy conflicts and implicit deny behavior. Finish by validating. From a test machine, run ping and traceroute, then attempt a service connection with telnet or NC to the port. Monitor firewall logs for hits and drops, and verify traffic matches your rule's source and destination. Commit the changes to persistent storage and notify stakeholders. If something breaks, temporarily revert to your backup or enable a narrow, temporary allow to isolate the issue, then narrow the rule and reapply. One key tip: check implicit deny and NAT interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.